show you how to add links to a Word document in the Microsoft Word app. First, we have to open up the app. And here it opens up like this. From here, we're just going to the top row, click on Insert. Then we click on Links. And here we have link, bookmark, or cross-reference. First, let's say link. And here we can just enter a web link, and here the text that displays it. So for example, if you are saying that you can visit our channel here, you can type in here in the text display box, and then add your channel address here, and then this is going to become a link. That's basically it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one.